Hi guys, this is Craig from MobileTechTalk and we are checking out the Nokia 7.2 which has just been announced at the HMD Global press event that isn't actually at the Mezi. It's a bit of a jaunt away but still is in Berlin. So this device is very nice to hold. So what are we looking at here? We're looking at a 6.3 rather, FHD plus as full HD with a 19.5 to 9 aspect ratio. It's a tongue twister. You can see the little teardrop notch there and the little speaker above that. And across the back we've got a triple camera setup, a 48 megapixel camera with some binning capabilities, so it basically uses all of those 48 megapixels and creates a better picture by combining some of those pixels. And it also has a 180 degree ultra wide as well as a depth camera as well. It's they've basically said that you're looking at a up to 2-day standby time on this, which is absolutely amazing. It remains to be seen whether that's the case. Fingerprint scanner on the back, which some people may or may not like, but it's not a particularly premium device in terms of the amount it costs, so we can let them off that. Let's just see if we can get back. The other selling point of this is obviously the Android One. It's very stock Android experience that you've actually got on these devices. Comes in either I think 4 or 6 gigabytes, and it's got a Qualcomm Snapdragon 660 mobile chip. So it's a mid-range device, but it feels like a mid-range device as well. But it also feels like you wouldn't be scared about taking it out and about and actually using it, which you would be with a lot of obviously the premium devices that are on the market at the moment. So just a quick look at the Nokia 7.2 availability in October. In terms of the price, I'll have to annotate it because I can't remember what it is. I think it's 299 euros. So yeah, we're going to have a bit of a play around, see if we can get one on loan, see if we can start playing around with the photography of it. They had an individual on stage who basically had gone to Iceland and took some really good shots actually. But you take that with a pinch of salt. We'll get it on the table and get it on our bench and kind of have a look ourselves. So this has just been a quick dirty Nokia 7.2 hands-on video with everybody else around me doing exactly the same. I'll see if I can get a little bit better, a bit of a better venue to actually kind of video this better for you. But yeah, the Nokia 7.2, which is the highest of the mid-range devices that they've just refreshed. Look out for the 6.2 also. This is Craig from MobileTechTalk, and we'll catch you on the next one.